Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, it's too hot. Day by day the temperature is going up. Now it's too hot. Birds and animals are not getting water. So that's why today we're gonna do bird water feeder. Today I'm gonna take my dad's help and we'll make bird water feeder. And
It's okay, Smaran. So, are you ready for making a bird water feeder?
yes,
Okay, let's do it. So, what do we need to make this bird water feeder? We need some trays.
yeah,
So, these can be disposable trays, right? And do you remember what is this?
yeah, my tiffin box.
Yes, this is your.
Tiffin box.
This was your tiffin box, right? And this is for some candies, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so now why we choose them is because it has got certain depth to it, and that's where the birds
yeah,
and squirrels can drink some water. Okay, always pick a tray which has got some depth, or it should be shallow. Okay, and we also need some water bottles. These are disposable water bottles, and we're gonna fill it up, and that should take care of the birds for a day or two. Okay, so let's see how we can make a bird water feeder with this, right? I also need some nuts and bolts just to ensure we attach the bottle to the tray like that.
like this. Push down.
Yes, and we need a drill machine. I'm going to use a drill machine, and if you don't have a drill machine, probably you can use something sharp, heat it up, and then you can just drill a hole into the bottle, right? And I also have the hot glue gun there,
Yeah,
just in case of a need, and just to kind of seal it up, we do not leak any water. I also have a silicone here. Okay, are you ready, Smaran?
yeah,
Okay, let's get started then.
yeah. Let,
We're gonna do 2 bird water feeders today. Okay?
yeah,
Okay, then which one do you want to go first? Blue or yellow?
blue.
Blue. Okay, let's do this one first. Now, to get this water bottle upside down like that, we need to attach this to this tray, correct? So how can we do that? Using a bolt and nut. Where do we have our bolt and nuts?
Here.
Yes.
I'm gonna give you.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this cap, put it down like that, drill hole to the bottom. Okay. So then I'm going to use bolt and nut to attach this cap.
Yeah.
Once I do that, exactly. Once I do that, I'm gonna just screw this bottle back in with water. Okay? That's what we're gonna do now. Let's drill holes to the cap
Yeah,
and the tray.
yeah.
Okay.
The driller is over here.
Yes. And only parents will do this. Okay? Kids are not allowed.
Because this is too dangerous.
Yes. Kids cannot use the drill. Let's see. I'll use the base.
It'll get better.
You see that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You need more big.
Yes,
So,
I will.
if we change
And just to ensure
yeah.
the diameter of your bolt and the drill should be of
First
same
you-
size.
First you check so we can understand.
Yes. So now let's drill a hole here at the center.
It's too. It's not easy.
So let's see if this board fits in there.
First you take this one.
Okay, anything is. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I can fit in there. See? Now I'm gonna fix this cap right there.
It kept.
Yep. Now I'm gonna fix in the bowl. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Cool. Let me just tighten it up, okay? And that's how
Done.
we're gonna fix the cap.
No.
And once after this,
Keep it like
we're gonna just screw the bottle in back.
See, you hold it like this.
Right?
And we're gonna cut you.
Now, to get the water into this tray, what we need to do? No, we need to pierce a hole to the bottom. Okay? So, now let's do that. So, let me open this bag. Okay, let me put this back in.
Yeah.
Now, to what level do we want water in this tray?
To what level?
Yes, to what height? Until here, here, or till the top? Until there? So we're gonna
Because it will spill out.
exactly. So we're gonna measure the height from the bottom and pierce a hole just to the level to what we want the water to be. Okay? Let's do that.
Yep.
Let's drill some holes into
Yeah.
this. Okay?
And we're gonna do here also.
So just to ensure the water also feeds into this, I'm gonna put the holes right there so that it feeds in the water. Okay?
Yeah. Careful.
Yes. Thank you, Smaran.
Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Be careful.
Now I'm gonna take this hot glue.
Yeah.
What is this hot glue?
Hot glue.
It's
It'll dry in 1 second.
I can dry faster. It is hot glue which I'm gonna put there.
I can't see.
Now.
Oh yeah. It's coming. I can see. I can see. Oh wow, 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 wow.
Do you know why I'm doing this?
Yeah, because it will stick.
I'm just ensuring the water doesn't leak. Okay? So now
Dried.
let us wait for a minute for it to get dried. Thank you, Smaran. Now we're gonna screw it in back.
Yeah.
So exactly. Thank you.
Because water will fall down.
Exactly. So we're gonna screw this back, holding that cap inside. Right?
Yeah, do it careful because water will
That's
fall.
fine. So every time when you fill the water, you need to do this in this position. Now let's see. Let's flip it.
Oh.
Hold on. That's fine. Yep.
Yeah. Little.
Now I think it'll slowly fill it, but just to ensure that we have the water filled to that level, I'm just putting
you
some
pressing?
pressure. A little bit. You see this water bubbles going up?
Yeah.
That means
It's
the
like
bottle is actually breathing.
Yeah, it's breathing. If it goes breathing only, then only it will go.
Yes, without air going into the bottle, the water will not come out.
It is breathing.
Now your bird water feeder is ready. Do you want to
Yes.
give some food also?
Yeah. Little.
Okay. Do you want to put in this trays?
Yeah. Some.
Okay.
Can it mess it?
Sure. You want to feed some rice?
Yeah. Rice. And some curry.
Dal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe.
Water feeder, either you can attach it like this to any tree,
Yeah, like this.
or you can just place it onto something like this. Okay, so this one is ready. Do you want to prepare the second one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
But it's being
Here's the second one, Smaran.
yeah.
And here we go.
We made two.
Yes.
But where's
Now-
the food?
Now let me flip it up. And this one we are not having food. We are just having water in this.
So, what do you think? Can I?
Yes, just press a little bit until you get to that level.
This is good?
Yes, good enough, Smaran. Very good.
Thank you.
So here are your bird water feeders.
They both are nice.
They both are good? You like them?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go and give it to them. Okay?
Yeah.
Where do you want to place them?
Near the garden.
Near the garden? Okay, let's go. Okay, Smaran. Place your bird feeder. So, it's nice. That's your bird feeder.
Yeah.
Where do you want to place your second one?
Over there.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. We'll fill it up again.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it should be okay. We'll just fill it up again.
There are two we made.
The two water feeders.
Yeah. I love it. It's very easy to make. And if you do this and make food for birds, and birds will be happy with you. Bye bye. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to give a big thumbs up. See you in the next video.